In the peaceful town of Maplewood, the tall clock tower in the square rang every day at 6 o'clock. People relied on its sound. Shopkeepers closed, children ran home, and life went on. But one autumn evening, the bell stayed silent. No ding, no dong. Everyone stopped, confused and uneasy. The next morning, the mayor claimed it was a malfunction, but 12-year-old Sam Rivers, curious and brave, didn't believe it. That evening, he slipped into the tower. The tower was cold and dusty. Stairs creaked, cobwebs hung everywhere, and gears ticked softly above. At the top, Sam saw something incredible. A tiny silver bird perched on the hammer that struck the bell. Its feathers glowed like moonlight, and from its beak fell a small note. Sam unrolled it. 5 words were written: "Save the tower. Something is coming." Before he could ask more, the bird flew out into the dark sky. Sam ran to his grandfather, the town's former clockmaker. "Grandpa, the bird was warning us," he exclaimed. That night, dark clouds rolled in. Thunder crashed, wind shook trees, and a storm like never before hit Maplewood. Sam and his grandfather warned the mayor. Workers rushed to reinforce the old tower with ropes and wooden beams. Lightning struck nearby. The tower shook, but it held thanks to their efforts. By morning, the storm ended. At 6 o'clock, the bell rang again. D-I-N-G, dong. People cheered. Life returned to normal. Sam looked up at the sky, remembering the silver bird. Where had it come from? How did it know? Would it ever return? A gentle wind blew, and for a moment, Sam thought he heard soft, musical chirping. He smiled. Some mysteries aren't meant to be solved, only remembered. Be sure to tell us in the comments, how did you like this story? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories like this.